In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Gmail account to Claude. The process is very simple, and you can complete it in just a few minutes without installing any additional software. First, open your internet browser and search for the official Claude AI website. Make sure you're visiting the official Claude website. Once the website is open, sign into your Claude account. After you're logged in and on the Claude homepage, look at the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your account or profile name. Simply click on it to open the account menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will open the Settings area, where you can manage different options related to your Claude account. Inside Settings, look for the Connectors option and you will see the option of Add. Click on it. Connectors allow Claude to work with different services and applications, making it easier to access information and use connected tools from within Claude. Now, click on Browse Connectors. You'll see a list of different connectors that are available. At this point, make sure you're under the Web section. There may also be options related to desktop extensions, but for this tutorial, we want to use the Web section. Next, scroll down through the available connectors until you find Gmail. Once you locate Gmail, click on it to begin the connection process. Claude will then display the relevant information and permissions required to connect your Gmail account. Follow the instructions shown on the screen and select the appropriate options to authorize the connection. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to sign into your Google account or confirm that you want to allow Claude to connect with Gmail. Carefully review the permissions and continue if you're comfortable proceeding. Once the process is completed, your Gmail account will be connected to Claude. You can then use the available Gmail integration features within Claude, depending on the permissions and capabilities provided by the connector. So, as you can see, connecting Gmail to Claude is a quick and straightforward process. You simply need to open the official Claude website, go to your account settings, open connectors, browse the web connectors, select Gmail, and complete the authorization process. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you connect your Gmail account to Claude easily and without any confusion.